Today I will be teaching you how to block a guest on Airbnb. Let us get started. If you had a bad experience with a guest on Airbnb and want to block them from booking your property again, this is how you do it. First step is use the report feature to block a guest. Unfortunately, Airbnb does not have a direct block guest button yet, but you can report the guest to prevent future interactions. Steps to report and block the guest: simply go to Airbnb, open your messages, click on the conversation with the guest you want to block, click report. It should be on the Airbnb app as well. You just need to tap the three dots on the top right corner. But on the website, you can find the report option in the message thread. Select the reason for reporting the guest. It should show examples for you there and submit the report. Once reported, the guest will no longer be able to message you or book your listing. Another way is for you to decline or cancel future requests from guests. If the guests try to book again, simply decline the request. If they have an instant book reservation, go to reservations, cancel, and choose "I'm uncomfortable with this guest" as the reason. You could also adjust your booking settings to prevent problematic guests. So, to avoid unwanted bookings in the future, you can turn off instant book. You can require the guests' reviews, or you could also only allow guests with positive reviews to book your property, and set house rules strictly so guests agree to your policies upfront. Lastly, you can contact Airbnb support for additional help. If the guest is harassing you or violating Airbnb policies, you can contact Airbnb customer support for assistance. You can go to www.airbnb.com/help, or you can call the Airbnb support help center. If you like this video or if you want more videos like this, click like, subscribe, and don't forget the bell button. See you next time.